Hello and welcome, guys, to this Let's Ace MHT CET series. So this is a dedicated, highly question bank for students practice, guaranteed spike in your percentile as mentioned in the slide. So guys, what we are going to do is हम ऐसे कुछ क्वेश्चंस फिल्टर करके निकालने वाले हैं पिछले कुछ जो CETs हुए उसके बेसिस पे that will help you to sprint your percentile. So please be with us. Go through each question and each concept has been repeated numerously in your exam. So please do not miss out on any video whatsoever and keep subscribed and keep looking for the videos that will be updated soon. So this is a question from CET 2025. Okay, so the question says over here that a physical quantity x is related to four measurable quantities a, b, c and d as x is equal to a square b cube. They've given you the formula over here. The percentage error has been given for ABCD individually 1%, 2%, 2% and 4%. The percentage error in measure of the quantity x is. So we have to take out the total, error in measurement of quantity x. Now, keep in mind one thing. Units and measurements में से things that you should know is units should be thorough, SI units and all. Okay, then you should be very thorough with your this measurement, error measurement. This is a very highly repetitive question, so we'll just focus on this concept here. So if you want to know this concept, the percentage error in x is given by total of all errors of ABCD individually. Okay, individually we have to calculate the error. Abhi individually how do we calculate the error? So for example, let's say percentage error by A. So just look at the formula. In the formula of x, the power of A is 2. So over here, what you'll do is 2 into the error of A, whatever it was given. I think the error of A was given to be 1%. So 1%. And that will be a total error, that is 2% for A. Similarly, percentage error by B. So again, what you have to do, you have to look at the power of B. So the power of B is 3 and the total error is 2% given for B individually. So total becomes 6%. Percentage error by C. Now many students get confused कि fraction में है ये है वो है तो क्या करें. Nothing changes, just 5/2, because 5/2 है C का power. So 5/2 into again 2% was given over here, right? So this becomes 5%. Okay, next again percentage error by D. Now this is where it becomes tricky for a student in an exam, because D का power यहाँ पे D raised to -2 है, तो -2 power हो तो students will tend to multiply it by minus, but no, positive ही लेना है. So 2 into whatever this thing was given, I think 4% error was given, so this becomes 8%. Now the only thing that you need to do is you need to add all of them and that will give you the answer. So 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 8, that is 8 plus 5 13, 13 and 8, that is 21, and that will be your final answer. So I hope you would have grabbed onto this particular concept now. This is the formula and this is how you need to solve this standard template. और ये बहुत बार repeat होगा CET में. You can expect this year also in at least 3 or 4 slots. So be ready for it. You can just go through the solution in the proper way over here. If you want, you can just screenshot this or keep this. Also, we have started with our CET percentile booster course. So if anyone is interested in joining it, please let me know. We are going to practice thousands such questions that I've shared over here, plus PYQs, plus shortcut methods, plus important concepts and test series and counseling on daily basis. So please, if you want to get enrolled, connect with us. Thank you.